I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot.
Alright. We're filming. So, very popular question is the Yamaha Bolt and its notorious death wobble, which it does have. There's no way not every single Yamaha Bolt ever made has this. Some country. Hopefully these bolts don't snap. My foot just fucking leg just touched the pipe. That's hot. But they all have it. Now, is it something extremely serious? I don't think so, honestly. I know that you can buy the bearings to get rid of it, and also people say it's the tires that the bolt comes with. Since the tread is in an S pattern, it causes it. But for me, I've had two bolts. The only time I experience it is when you have no hands on the bars, which, I mean, I guess you want to do the bike surfer, you're gonna just die. So don't do that. Or go ahead and change the tires and the bearings, and then it won't have it. But I am riding at, I'm going 47, I'll get up to 50. I'm going 50. I got one hand on. I'm not like gripping the handlebar crazy, and there's absolutely nothing. Like you could not even tell. Like I understand why people want to get rid of it, because I mean you don't want it either way. I can understand that. I do plan on getting new tires. I'm gonna see if that helps it, and then if it doesn't, eventually I will do the bearings. I think the bearings are just gonna be better anyway, but like I'm holding this with one hand, or two fingers, and it's not even moving. But I will take my hands off and show you. It will start to do it. You ready? And there it goes. But as soon as your hands go back on, like, it can get a little crazy. I don't even recommend doing that. I'm not going to do that again. But just don't take your hands off. I mean, you got to keep your hand on for the throttle anyway. Let's give it a little something. But yes, I mean, I wouldn't say people are over exaggerating the severity of it, but I don't think it's as big of a deal as a lot of people make it out to be, because you got to keep one hand on anyway. I'm cruising one hand this whole time. I'm going 50, which, I mean, not crazy, but there's nothing. I mean, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Is this something that everyone should just do, even though you don't feel it when you got your hands on the bars? Or is it something that, like, I guess some of these stunt riders, I can understand, might want it. But, I mean, not that many people stunt Yamaha bolts anyway. They're going to like Sportsters or, you know, Dyna, Street Bobs. So I don't really see the big problem. Now, I think some of it is mostly just tires. I've heard of people just getting new tires and most of the problem just goes away. I'm going to be getting new tires. I might be able to get the rest of like another month or two out of these. I mean, I probably could get another year, but I prefer just to get some fresh tires. These things are the originals. They've been on there since, well, the bike's 2014, probably came out in 2013, right? Isn't that how that goes? So, I've been on there for quite some time, 6-7 years. So I'll be getting tires. Tires aren't too much anyway. So once I get new tires, I'll do another little review, see if that changes anything. I mean, like I said, it doesn't really bother me, but I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me if I'm the minority or the only one who thinks this way. But alright, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'ma give it all I